What is financial modeling? Generally, if I ask this question to a large number of people, I get different answers from each one of them. The reason being, the broader definition of the financial modeling is not understood by many of the people. To put it simple, financial modeling is nothing but creating a reusable model which will take some inputs, does some processing, and gives some output on any finance specific data. So we can use this model for various purposes depending on how comfortable are we in terms of segregating the inputs from the calculations to the outputs. This is what, if I use it for any financial concept, I call it as financial modeling. But most of the time people try to link financial model with valuing a particular stock or valuing a project, or they try to link financial modeling with more of financial application. The simple way to look at financial modeling is any concept of finance. It could be investments, valuation, derivatives, risk management, any concept of finance. If I am able to create a model like this, which takes various inputs, does some processing and generates the outputs, and probably it should also give me, if at all I modify these inputs with something else, the calculations need to be automatically updated and appropriate outputs be generated for me. If at all I am able to create such a kind of a skeleton, and if I am able to generate what if analysis scenarios out of it, I call that kind of product as my financial model. So it can be used for any financial decisions. It could be as simple as a loan calculation model, which will give me the EMIs that I need to pay based on the way I have taken the loan, the time period of it, the amount of loan, the prevailing interest rates, and various other inputs that go into it. Based on all those inputs, if it can generate the EMI which I need to pay, and changing some set of inputs, if the output can get automatically updated, and probably give a comparative analysis between the two sets of inputs, which is better compared to the other. That is what we are calling as a financial model. The word model is a very common word, which is more like something that can be used as a base to do my analysis. And since I am using it for financial applications, I am calling it as a financial model. So just try to understand that specific concept, and even from a theoretical definition of it, it illustrates the relationships so that we can answer the what if analysis questions quite comfortably. So any theory of finance or accounting and the relationship between the various financial entities, if I am able to build them